kubeconfig file in Kubernetes security. So it plays a crucial role in the Kubernetes security. So since it is having the security components, it will be having the different use cases. So in a kubeconfig file is a configuration file used to define the access credentials, clusters and context. These are the main components which are available in the kubeconfig file. So that will communicate with the Kubernetes API server, and it plays a crucial role in the Kubernetes security, because who can access in the which cluster. So that's why, okay, what it contains. So clusters, users and context, these are the main fields available in the Kubernetes kubeconfig file. So why it matters for the Kubernetes security, access control. So access control, we can say it contains the credential that grant access to the cluster. So anyone can with this file can potentially control your Kubernetes cluster. This is the access control. And we can say authentication, right? So authentication, it may have use tokens and client certificate or basic authentication, for example username, password, which must be protected. Okay, that is why you can use the authentication. And in case of authorization, we can say depending on the permissions of the user in the kubeconfig file, they may have the full access, full admin access privileges with the help of RBAC. Okay, that why we use authorization. And the encryption. So encryption, come to encryption, the file itself is usually stored in the encrypted format, so it will be protected with the help of private key. So that's why it is a encrypted communication between the API server and the cluster or users. Okay, the multi-cluster access, which will have the one file can be used to access multiple clusters. That means it will breach can affect more than one environment. That means dev, staging and production environment, multi-cluster access. Okay, so with the help of example, we can see API version is v1, kind is the object is we are creating configuration object. Since we have the clusters, these are the main three attributes which are available in the kubeconfig file: clusters, users, context. Okay, under clusters we can say any cluster name, we can say my cluster name is, I can define the example for my cluster, and what it contains a name and server address within the cluster. We can specify the cluster. Here we can give the details about the server. Please make sure the syntaxes and server so and so example.com like that colon 6443. Since it is a short version, so we don't have much time, we are providing the details and certificate authority C dot authority, I can say. So for example CA dot CRT. Okay, and under users, so we can say we will explain in the full version of the video. This is short. Okay, that's all.